So I'm going to show you how to share and download videos. You might want to share videos of something really interesting happening around your house, or in my case, I like to share videos of my dog Jasmine doing really cute things. So let me show you how to do it. There's a couple interesting places. The first one, you come directly into event history and you select the motion you want. You swipe and you click the share modal, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to share this event? And then it'll pop up and give you some options. From here, you can share directly to Facebook, Nextdoor, or you can use your email or your messaging service, or with this down arrow, you can download directly to your phone. You can also notify your neighbors directly on our Neighbors app. The other place is directly in a video. So you select the video you want to share, select the share modal again, and again, you have a bunch of options. The last place is within the timeline. And to get to timeline, we go back to the dashboard, select into the device, select the motion or event we want to share, and actually click the share button at the bottom. So now you know how to save and share your videos. If you have any cool stories or videos you want to share with us, please send them to stories@ring.com. We'd love to see them.